Hi all, welcome back to Weekend Vlogs. I hope everyone is staying safe and taking care of good health. In today's video, I'm going to talk about some immunity boosting foods which is really healthy and nutritious. Of course, how to eat a healthy and a balanced meal in a day. Hope you all like it, so let's get into the video. Firstly, soaking the chia seeds overnight so they are able to absorb as much water as possible. This ability to absorb water is why chia seeds is so great for a diet. Along with that, soaking moong dal and a little bit of rice for moong dal dosa for the next day morning. Here I have used about 1 cup of moong dal and quarter cup of rice. Also, this is the time we need to take precautions and stay healthy. First thing in the morning, we should feel really fresh. For that, we have to drink something refreshing. Here I have chose to drink a lemon infused chia water, which is really refreshing and perfect for enjoying the first thing in the morning. For 1 tablespoon of soaked chia seeds, adding 1 glass of warm water and little amount of lemon juice. Give a good mix and drink immediately. Along with that, I am having some pumpkin seeds. For the breakfast, I plan to make a highly nutritious and the protein rich, also very tasty moong dal dosa. Take the soaked dal and rice in a mixer jar. Grind to make a batter which is not thick nor thin by adding little amount of water. Here I have used raw rice. Also, the rice is really optional. If you don't prefer adding rice, it's okay. Also add little amount of salt and mix well and the batter is ready. In between, preparing a simple onion chutney just by sauteing the onions, adding chili powder and salt and then mix. The 1 minute onion chutney is ready. Scoop a ladle of the batter and pour in the center of the tawa and spread it like as we do for the normal dosas. Sprinkling some amount of finely chopped onions, also spreading some amount of ghee to it. Cook for at least 2 minutes or until the bottom surface turns light golden brown and crisp. Also, top surface looks cooked. Transfer it to a serving plate and repeat the process for the remaining batter. The moong dal dosa or the pesarat is now ready for serving. This is even more healthier and easier to prepare compared with our regular urad dal and rice dosa. Also absolutely delicious. For the mid-morning, I have chosen to drink a herbal tea. Over the time, tea has proven to be one of the healthiest drinks in the world. With the right ingredients and methods, one can actually gain a lot of health benefits of drinking herbal tea. Into a teapot or strainer, adding 1 pack of tea bag, little amount of crushed ginger, little lime juice and 3 to 4 cloves, 3 to 4 cardamoms and small piece of cinnamon. Little amount of jaggery powder, also you can replace with honey as well. Adding the hot water into it, let it sit for some time. After 10 to 15 minutes, the herbal tea is ready. You can even modify the drink accordingly by adding some mint or even turmeric powder. Also, these are having a high amount of antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties, so it is really good to consume on daily basis. Having my herbal tea with some apple slices. For lunch, we can have whatever we are used to, including rice or roti, whatever. But only thing is that we have to include more amount of vegetables, especially green leafy vegetables. Also, include more amount of turmeric powder and garlic into your diet. Also, it is always better to use coconut oil or ghee to your diet. Hope this video helps to understand the immunity boosting foods with the easily available products at our home. Here comes the final look of my lunch, that is the rice, muringa dal curry, stir fried carrots, fish fry and 2 slices of mango. Here I have made the muringa dal curry by mixing 2-3 types of dals and the muringa leaves, and also it's really nutritious and was very delicious. With this lunch you can also include some buttermilk as well, which will help for the digestion process easier. Likewise, you can prepare any type of lunch menu with more amount of green leafy vegetables. The recipe link of muringa dal curry will be described in my description box. As an evening snack, I plan to make some peanut energy balls, which are little balls of nutrition made with dates and peanuts in desiccated coconut. An easy to make sweet and healthy vegan snack. Firstly, into a mixer grinder, adding 10 to 12 numbers of dates and nicely blend them. Blend them into a sticky consistency. About 1 cup of desiccated coconut being grinded, adding to this dates, and again add some 1 cup of roasted peanuts and nicely blend and add to this mixture. Now simply roll the energy bites into a ball shape. Also, if required, we can increase the quantity of dates for increasing the sweetness. This will make about 10 to 14 balls. Also, store the leftovers in an airtight container. They will last about 10 to 14 days in the fridge. Enjoying the energy balls with my cup of tea. Dinner should be the lightest among the whole day routine. It could be in any form of soup. Also, make sure that we are consuming before 8 p.m. I plan to make some pumpkin soup, which is super creamy and really delicious. Also easy to make. It is basically prepared with just 3 main ingredients, including the juicy pumpkin, garlic and fried onions. The detailed recipe link will be described in my description box. Please do check. When the dinner is done, also after 2 to 2.5 hours break, that is before going to bed, let's have warm milk. It gives good amount of energy and feel really relaxed. Also helps to better sleep. If you sleep well, all the hormones in your body are going to help you to come out to the level where immunity goes high and where the infection is handled very easily. In this COVID-19 situation, it is always better to drink turmeric milk instead of warm milk before going to bed. For that, into a saucepan, adding 1 cup of milk, just heating it, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of pepper powder and a pinch of ghee, and the turmeric milk is ready, and consume it immediately. Hope you all like my video, and definitely thanks for watching.